Install the battery. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. Use the center joystick to control movement. Horn button. Speed up button. Speed down button. Press and hold the power button to turn it off. Press and hold the power button and speed down button to disconnect. Auto power off after 30 seconds of inactivity. Turn on to reconnect automatically. Speed up button demonstration. Speed down button demonstration. Left and right steering. Forward and backward.